Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you a couple of tips on how to automatically tweet when you publish a new blog post on your WordPress website. Now, the first thing we need to do is to go by plugins and add new, and we connect to the website, the plugin called Uncanny Automator, and don't forget of course to activate it. And when you activate it and sign up, then you see all those knowledge videos that you know how to trigger, to have multiple triggers, etc. And then the main dashboard, right? So don't forget that Twitter is really good to create content, especially now that a lot of things has been updated on Twitter. So you should give it a try and see the traffic you get from Twitter, because it's really good. Then we go by add new, like the recipe. It's just like, to show you how to do a couple of things. And what we do here is to connect to login users. Confirm it. Don't forget that it's just an example, and as you can see, we have the integration that we need to connect. You can say like Twitter Automator, whatever you want to add to the title here, or anything that you need is easy for you, like Twitter, because you can do a lot of things with this. You can say Twitter or adding new or something. You can add a title. Let's say adding new. Then we'll connect it to WordPress. And then you can see here that you have a user login to the site. And you publish this type of post. So we can choose this one, for instance. What we do here is, if you see here, that is the very important part, that we trigger those words. So when we Twitter, don't forget to connect that with Twitter. And what we do here is to make sure that we add in the words that we want to trigger the post automatically on Twitter. But any post or any post type exactly, then we can say any taxonomy. Yes, we leave that as it is, and then we save. So this is the things that you need to be consider and then save. And then if you want to add another trigger, it's up to you, or another action is up to you. So it's really great tool for you to use it and connect it with your Twitter, because you're really going to see massive difference when you post straight away. You get a lot of traffic. I mean, I'm growing my Twitter account. So, and here again, you have, if you want to connect it with whatever you want to connect it, like with your marketing, or as you can see, you have Zyper, you need the Pro, Twitter, but you also can connect it with any other, with Zoom, for instance. Remember that any action you want to take, this is the place that you need to connect it. So Facebook, you can have a lot of automate posts with this plugin. The good thing is to upgrade if you want to. You can use it of course for free, but you can also update your subscriptions. You buy the license, and then you can see, keep it and see. It's really good. It's very helpful, so you can do that. It's not very expensive. That's it. Those are a couple of tips to help you learn more about Twitter. Don't forget that Twitter is really good for you to, when you have new content, to put it out there and increase your traffic, because whatever you do, you need to have more traffic. So it's really simple. And then again, you have here, as you see, the integration. You can check again here. If we go here, you can see all the integrations that you can do. And on the left, I get the recipe logs. You see, you can do a lot of integration with Elementor Pro, with the Google Sheet, with WooCommerce. So you have a lot of options here, building Twitter, and in general you have the recipe log, trigger log, action log here, also the tools. So don't forget that it's really very simple to use. You can give it a go, and I hope you enjoy it as I enjoy it. And please connect with me on the social media. Leave your comments below on the video. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to connect with me on the social media. Follow me on Twitter. Let me know that you follow me, and I wish you well. Have a lovely day.